The Sunnydaze 55-inch foosball table delivers impressive gaming dimensions spanning 55 inches width by 30 inches depth by 33 inches height with substantial 50-inch playing surface accommodating competitive 2 vs 2 matches throughout recreational game rooms. This premium construction features PVC laminated MDF providing durable playing surface combined with chrome-plated steel rods enabling smooth, responsive gameplay throughout intensive matches. The ABS plastic player figurines maintain realistic proportions while resisting damage and degradation throughout extended competitive play. The integrated ball bearing system enables smooth rod rotation supporting precise player control and strategic positioning without resistance or grinding. We share by links in description box. The folding drink holders accommodate beverage positioning enabling convenient mid-game hydration and refreshment access throughout extended matches. The manual scorer units track competitive scoring enabling tournament-style play and competitive record maintenance. The raised corner design prevents ball escape during intense rallies ensuring continuous gameplay. The ergonomic handles with rubber grips support comfortable wrist movement and extended play sessions without fatigue. The green playing surface decorated with white markings resemble authentic soccer field aesthetics. The black color with chrome accents provides contemporary aesthetic appeal suitable for diverse game room environments. The approximately 115-pound weight indicates substantial professional-grade construction quality. The comprehensive accessories including two balls, 4-leg levelers, and side ball returns enable immediate competitive gameplay. The outstanding value combining full-size dimensions, professional construction, chrome steel rods, included accessories, and contemporary aesthetics establishes this table as exceptional choice for serious game room enthusiasts.